Hello viewers, welcome to LearningX. In this video, we'll show you how to transform a simple chart into a professional chart. Here we will give one example of how to do this. You can apply this to make your all simple chart into a professional one. So let's start to transform your simple Excel chart into a professional chart. First of all, select this range, go to Insert, and in Chart, select this line chart. So this is the basic chart. Now we'll transform this basic chart. For this, we'll start work with the axis. Right click on Format Axis, and we have a minimum value of 3900. So in bound we'll give 3600, so it will have a better look. And in maximum value we'll give 8000. Again we'll go to Format Axis, and in number we'll type 0.00 and K for 1000 because we want to show this data in 1000. Just click at and it will show in 1000. Remove the grid lines. Select this line and go to Format Data Series. Give a solid line with black color. Go to Format, give outer shadow effect. Bold it and make it black color. Go to Format Axis, give a solid line. Increase the width to 1.75 and give a title. Here I am working with the COVID-19 data of last 10 days. So this is my title. Now copy this or any clipboard and just paste it in the line. Then it will look like this. Here I have used this virus logo, which is best match for my chart. You can use your company logo or anything that best matches for your chart. Then add data labels. Right click on Format Data Labels, and we want to show it in 1000. So we'll type 0.00 and K per 1000. Just click at and it will show as 1000. Bold it and make it black color. Increase the font size. One more task, Format Chart Area. We want to change the background. Just keep picture. Go to Insert and give the background picture as you wish. I'm giving here this green background color. Now right click on the line and go to Format Data Series and make the line smoother, so the line will be smoother. So chart is done. You can use the same concept to make your chart looks better than the previous one. This is all about this video. If you have enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and check out our other series for more attractive chart and dashboard videos.